Hey my friends, welcome back. I just changed the battery of my Vivitar Aeroview video drone. Actually, the first flight was a blast, it was a success even though it was very windy out here, but I had to change my battery. And for those who know, I have two Vivitar Aeroview video drones, and what I do is I go out with one and then I remove the battery from the other one and I use it as spare. So let me put my camera on here. Okay, all right, let's get airborne. Woo, that's good. Actually, after I switched the battery, I calibrated it again. I always do that after switching the battery. Sometimes it will act funny, it will threaten to take flight to parts unknown. I've had to struggle on other occasions to bring it down after changing the battery and then failing to calibrate it. So this time around I did not make that mistake, guys. Okay, it is pretty much the same. The wind is still, blasting, but the Aeroview is up to the challenge. As you can see, it is flying pretty stable when considering the conditions in which it's flying in. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Ooh, wee, wee. Look at that bird, man. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Actually, my plan today was to fly mostly over the water, but the wind has just been persistent, so I am not willing to risk it a lot. I might go over the water for a short while, then come back ashore. Oh yeah, it's fighting the wind. Woo! It is actually a lovely day out here. Not too hot, just a little bit windy. It's a perfect condition for relaxation at the shores of this lake today, but with the wind it is kind of tricky flying this drone, but it is really performing great. Nice. Ooh-wee. That's what I'm talking about, baby. try to increase the speed here. As you all know, it has 3 speed levels, and I'm at 100 right now. But with the wind, it doesn't move as fast as it normally would. Yeah, but it's all good, all good. Look at that. Nice. All right, guys. Let's see some signals. The battery is running low right now, so I'm just gonna push it a little bit, just a little bit longer. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave your comments below. For those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you and have a nice day.